Hey, well, this is it. This is surgery day, and we're sitting in the lobby, and I filled out all the paperwork, and Barb is here with me, and I'm a, I'm a little nervous, not as nervous as I thought I'd be. We've been to the Walmart, we got all the prescriptions, and done everything. I've done everything I could possibly do to prepare for this, so I'm feeling pretty confident. So I'm gonna grab this from Barb, and I'm gonna show Barb. Barb is here and is gonna.
Hello.
Barb is gonna wait, go back with me for the prep, and then she'll be out here and be coming back when I guess I regain consciousness and ready to go. And she
Yes.
signed her life away to promise to bring me home safely.
Yes.
So we'll see if we can get maybe a little footage in the preparation room. We'll have to ask him if it's okay. I'm wondering if everybody likes my new hat. He said, and this is for your hair, and he kind of chuckled when he handed it to me for obvious reasons. But I've been in here in the prep room for about a half an hour where they take vital signs, they put an IV in, shave you in the appropriate area. And Barb, if you can hear giggling, that's Barb over there laughing at me. Um, and they gave me a bunch of instructions about stuff that happens afterwards. And Barb committed those things to memory because I've already forgotten what the heck they said. But because I came early, he said it's going to be quite a while before the surgery starts. So, um, Barb, did you have any comments?
No, I'm just here for moral support.
Okay. So here we are. The next time you see me, I'm thinking that the camera will be pointed at me by Barb, and I may not be making a lot of sense, so I just want to warn you. So the surgeon came in, talked to me, then the anesthesiologist, and answered all my questions, gave me all the reassurances. But guys, this means it's real. It's happening any second now. We'll hopefully I'll see you in the recovery room. So I made it through the surgery, and I would say the pain is 1 out of 10. And I was already able to stand up in the walker and everything. My main complaint is nausea. I wasn't expecting that, but say the pain is 1 out of 10, the nausea is about 7 out of 10. And I'm very tired. But the doctor said he was really pleased. And pretty much what I want to do now is sleep. But that's the update. So starting up here, this is part of the ice machine. This has got circulating water from this device down here. And you can see that, hopefully you can see that it's the temperature of the water is 43 degrees. There's a pump inside that cooler, and there's 3 or 4, I forgot which, frozen bottled waters. And it circulates through, let's see, where can I show you? These, there, circulates through here and keeps it cool. Then these are compression devices that promote circulation, and you can see they're like, this one's blinking red and green. That means it's charging. So I've actually got them plugged in because they were new today, and I need to keep that going all night. These are things that if I'm not active and up and moving around, these need to be on. This is all to prevent blood clots. I'm in my recliner. You have a big fat pillow under my leg, and when I lean back like this, the leg is actually a little bit above my heart, which is ideal. And right now, I would say my pain level is 0 out of 10. Now, keep in mind the inflammation has not had a chance to set in at all, but right now there's 0 pain. I was able to, let me sort of reverse this. Hey everybody, so I am now home, And Cheryl's come in and set me up and took care of me. And let me show you kind of what the lay of the land looks like. Hang on. So I feel like a bit of a cyborg here. So I have my hip replacement, and I have this cold thing that comes out of this electronic device. It shows 45-degree water. And then I have these compression devices that keep me circulating. And it's blinking with the red too, because it's wired up. They weren't charged, but they'll charge while they're working. So I'm charging them up. And I'm in my recliner, my legs elevated. And when I lean back, it's above my heart. So we're doing good. So 0 pain, and but I lost my train of thought a little bit. So saying I have 0 pain, and it's 8:42 at night, and I think I'm going to try to sleep here in the recliner. If not, I can transfer the bed. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell you is that when Barb dropped me off, they all helped me out to the walker, and I used the walker to get to the stairs. And I was able to just walk up the stairs with the handrail, and even without a cane, I was able to walk around the inside of the trailer. I was able to, I needed to go to the restroom. I went to the restroom, used the restroom, all without using a walker or a cane. Just because, things are so close, I always have something that I can put some weight on, whether it's a counter or a railing or something. So that's a bonus of being in a small trailer, is that sort of the support is built into it because it's so small. Now, getting into the recliner was easy peasy because it's raised off the floor, because it's in the slide out by 12 inches. And then I haven't tried to get into bed. I don't know whether I'll try that tonight or not, but that'll be, I think, pretty uneventful too, because it's already high, and I have a little step stool, and I can get on just fine. So things are looking really good so far on the day of surgery. And I apologize, I'm not going to get this out on the day of surgery, but I'm going to get it out tomorrow. And I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully this will be evergreen content for me to assist people in the future that want to get this procedure, or really maybe other surgeries, done while being a nomad, and how to do it in the community, and at least how I did it, right? So take care, and I will see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.